Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. Yeah, price hasn't moved much since the last update, but we certainly aren't breaking down and we are pushing higher slowly but steadily according to the analysis. The idea was already months ago that we would get into this support area for a wave 2. That box hasn't moved in months, I would say. So price did get into this region. A lot of bears out there for silver. I think it has so far been correct to stay bullish, even if this was the area where we expected the price to turn around, yeah, and it turned around exactly like gold as well at the golden ratio. So even if it turns bearish eventually, and even if it breaks down, even if it doesn't break above resistance, anybody who entered in our trend reversal area, what do you need to do? You just need to now move your stop loss into break even, and then even if it breaks down, no problem, risk free. Okay, very important. This orange box wasn't even reached, so we're going to take a look at that now. But that was more to be understood as, right, if we hold this level, we can push higher. So we have never broken below 23.77. So from that point of view, we can focus on higher. So the idea is that we could be, maybe one more zooming out, that we formed a 1-2 setup here that bottomed on the 22nd of June, and that we're now in the third wave rally. Now, let's see. Yeah, let's see. I mean, to really get this confirmed, we need a 5-wave move up off the lows. I only have 3. And we need to break above the wave 1 high, above round about $26. Yeah. $26.10. Let's look at the microstructure. Let's try to understand what's going on here. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Yeah, and I showed you already in the last video that there is a chance, it would be pretty reasonable to count this down here as a 1-2-1-2 structure, or maybe all of this just as one leading diagonal. But I think looking at how the structure is developing now, I would rather see this as a 1-2-1-2, where we have completed here the third wave, probably where I had it already before here on Friday. Yeah, I'm unsure as to whether the wave 4 is already in here. That would be an extremely short and shallow wave 4. I would prefer if we still get a deeper wave 4. Okay. Now again, I have no crystal ball, but probabilities would tell us that normally a wave 4 should go to at least the 23.6 fib level. From that point of view, I'm observing this possibility: A wave down and 3 waves, overshooting B wave and the C wave down. Let's see if we get that. Typically what you can expect oftentimes is that an overshooting B wave goes all the way up to the 1.38 fib retracement. Let's see where we are. We are there exactly now. So if it's turning around and if it's an overshooting B wave, it will break down now. Yeah, that would be, however, if it breaks above the Wednesday high at around about 25.23, I mean, if we say it breaks down, it would just enter the support area to test $24.43, $24 and $23.77. As long as it's holding $23.77, I think we can focus on higher. Doesn't mean we have to get there, but that is still a chance. We've got resistance on the chart. A break above 25.18, or let's say above the Wednesday high, would unlock higher prices, and I think then we would already be in the 5th wave, possibly as an ending diagonal. That would at some point complete the 3rd wave, then the 4th and the 5th. Bear in mind that if this is an ending diagonal, it will be difficult to label it. They can be fairly long. We would then need to look at structures. But first of all, I would want to wait. Okay, can we break above 25.18? And if we can, then we would need to look at this as an ending diagonal. Then it can probably push a little higher, and you can use simply a trend line to understand when it's over. After it, we should head down lower in a wave 4. I cannot give you a target for that wave 4 until we have wave 3 complete. Okay, so yeah, generally it's looking good. Resistance is here around $26.10, and also here, similar to to the gold chart. I said already many weeks ago, if it pushes in 5 waves up there, we might get here an inverse head and shoulders. Let's see if we get it here as well and then push. But yeah, so far going according to plan, no reason to worry. Generally, you could say that as long as we're holding 23.77, the overall focus can be on higher. If it breaks below that level, then we need to look at it and the alarm bells would start to ring. Yeah. Okay, that's my update about silver. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.